Hello everyone, welcome to Home and Hearty Cooking. Today we are going to make soji rusk. It is said that the rusk we eat today could have been originated from 7th century in Persia. Rusk was invented in order to preserve the bread for a longer time. Rusk in India is a favorite tea time snack. Dipping crispy rusk in tea or coffee is something most of us have done when we were kids and still we continue to do it. Mostly the rusk we buy from the store is made out of maida, but I didn't wanted to use that. So I decided to make a healthy version at home. So I made it with soji. Soji, that is semolina or rava. Ingredients for soji rusk are soji 1.5 cup, water 3/4 cup, use as required, lukewarm water 2 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, milk powder 2 tablespoons, sugar powdered 2.5 tablespoons. Of course, if you like it very sweet, you can use more too. Instant yeast 3/4 teaspoon. Butter melted 2 tablespoons plus half teaspoon. Instructions are: grind soji in a mixer jar to powder. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. Add water gradually till all the soji gets covered and coated with water. You may need 1 tablespoon less than 3/4 cup. In a cup, add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, add yeast and set it aside for 10 minutes. Now add salt, powdered sugar, milk powder, melted butter and yeast mixture to the soji mixture. Mix it well. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. Add half teaspoon butter and the dough will stop sticking to your hands. Make a smooth ball out of the dough. Keep it for first proving in a grease bowl for half an hour. Cover it with a plate. After half an hour, transfer the dough on the grease board. Knead it for a minute. Divide the dough into 2. Roll a bun as shown in video. Pinch the cracks if any. Place the bun in a baking tray greased with parchment paper. Similarly, roll out another bun and transfer it to a greased baking tray. Cover and leave it for second proving for an hour. The buns will double in size. Preheat oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Bake the bun for 10 to 12 minutes at 200 degrees or till you see golden spots on the top of the bun. Bake the buns one after the other. Let the buns cool down for a day. On the next day, slice the buns with bread knife as shown in video. Place the suji slices in a baking tray with parchment paper. Preheat oven at 120 degrees for 10 minutes. Bake suji slices at 120 degrees for 20 minutes. Then flip the side. Bake the other side for 20 minutes again or till you get golden color on both the sides of the rusk. Let them cool down completely before you store them in an airtight container. Believe me, this is a very easy recipe and enjoy crispy, crunchy, delicious tea time treat. Breakfast table is all set. Who is going to join me for steaming coffee, some fruits, and to dip in coffee, Soji Rusk. Do share and subscribe to my channel.